It's Fast and the Furious Supercharged. This is a lot like Earthquake and King Kong, so we have to remain seated at all times and hold on to personal belongings. You will need your 3D glasses, but not quite yet. I'll let you know when to put them on. But the whole theme of this experience is that one of you happens to be an undercover witness that is trying to keep you away from Shaw.
My name is Roman Pierce. Pleased to meet you. My buddy Hobbs asked us to stash you with Shaw for a while. Brought you in our secret spot.
Alright, look guys, we're gonna keep Shaw from finding you, but to keep you safe, we need your help. We don't want the syndicate tracking us here, so put away your cameras and turn off your cell phones. One flash or one ringtone could give us away.
I need y'all to take this real serious.
Okay, go to the next day. We'll meet you in the middle.
FBI, don't move. Bill, that's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not...
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, let's back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Something happened really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of this.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate.
Shaw traced us. Hobbs can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Try to move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll.
Alright, everybody, it's time to put on your 3D glasses. Remember to please remain seated and hold to all your belongings. Put on those 3D glasses now.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime.
Hook him up!
Oh! Oh! Oh, shit! Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god! Woo!
That's how we roll, baby. Give yourself some big round of applause. Use
Woo!
Fast and Furious Supercharged.
Grabihang ninduta.
And a special thank you to Monica for dragging us through that. Thank you, Monica, saving our life. Fancy dragging. That's how she rolls, she says. Alright, here's the crew this evening.
Okay kayo.